those are some fantastic results that we got in any popular app today, whatever you're streaming, music, videos, conferencing, navigating, anything along those lines, you'll be all set and ready to go. Hey everyone, David here with Chef Media Group. Today in this video, we're going to be testing out our Google Pixel 6 Pro on the US mobile 5G network. This phone was a gift from Google, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly our own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about US mobile, the links will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead and try it out. So you can see we got the Meteor app pulled up right here. We're connected to the US mobile 5G network. It also says Verizon because guess what? That's the network that they use. So that's what you're seeing right here on our app. Now let's go ahead, let's conduct our test and you'll see the real-time benchmarking. Keep in mind for this test, results will vary depending on your location, the time of day, etc., etc. So for us, we're about 30 minutes outside of downtown Cincinnati, Ohio. We still have 5G coverage, but you can expect probably even better results if you're in a metropolitan area. And you can see the results right here. So we got 158 for our download, and you can see 23 for our upload. All the popular apps you would expect to use today, like Chrome, Google Maps, Netflix, Spotify, YouTube, Zoom, get the awesome rating. That's the best rating you can get. So you're not going to have any issues using the Google Pixel 6 Pro and the Verizon network, the US mobile network, and their 5G with this device. I can show you guys our history too. I've conducted this test multiple times today. You can see earlier we got 230 down and 24 up. Then we can look at this one. We got 224 down and 34 up. So you can see the results will vary depending on time of day and where you're located. But those are some fantastic results that we got in any popular app today, whatever you're streaming, music, videos, conferencing, navigating, anything along those lines, you'll be all set and ready to go.